I just want to mention thank you Echo6 for putting me on the internet and be seeing you at some point today. So let's get this over with. So for this video there will be links down in the description. You can watch these whenever you feel like it, but let's go.
They're trying to shoot my dick and I still walk. It's impressive.
That's a true story, by the way.
They come around. Oh.
Where should we go?
Is that recording?
Let's go this way.
So come right, you come recording, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Hello YouTube! Let's do this.
Bye.
Okay, you go front.
Yeah, see the flag.
I generally felt concerned when I saw him fall.
Hell yeah. You alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
You're so welcome for the first video communism versus non-communists. For the Russian on the enemy team.
Yeah.
So Zhnets explained there's more Russian on the enemy team than our team. There's like 2 Russians on our team. The rest had like 10 to 12 Russians. I couldn't keep up and I was like, shit, we are fucked. Sorry.
Scheiße. Super blöd for the video.
Yeah, at least I got a funny clip now.
Yeah, and then we can link the channel as well. And you send me video, I post it to my channel too. Scheiße, nettles.
Yeah, be careful, mate.
Yeah, I forgot there was netto, so I was trying to lay down with the LNG and I got stung a lot.
The problem is you gotta lay down where you need to lay down, so the nettles.
What you know what I'm gonna do?
I didn't even know I took out the guy. I was just aiming for our legs because I had the iron sight so I couldn't see, and getting attachments for like machine gun too expensive.
I'm gonna go lay over there and camouflage myself.
Okay.
So if anyone comes, I'll shoot my pistol, okay?
Hey, hit!
Okay.
Yeah? Huh? Yeah. Didn't realize.
I was double checking because I didn't know he got shot or not. I saw him come back.
He was in the bush.
Oh shit, I shooting through.
By the time I realized he shot me,
Alright.
I have a plan.
Okay, hit me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, for the video.
Yeah.
Hey, look at this. Right, so we should go down this way,
No,
right?
I was thinking, go up there, but use the far left bush.
Okay,
Just go sneak through it.
okay. So yeah, the level communism.
Yeah.
Yes, I was wearing a ring what has the Soviet Union on it. I was wearing a vodka bracelet. I was wearing a blue watch. It's all good.
So, okay.
Let's go.
Right. I wonder how many views we kept making this video.
Probably not a lot.
I mean, look at the videos in Russian and Italian. It just swears so much.
Yeah.
I don't know what right. It's a super bля, брусчёная капица.
All I did was listen to hard bass, swear a lot, and with the people those guys actually listen to the music. I had headphones on.
People, русский. Right. What's the left of everyone? That's the place. Good up here. Okay.
It looks like they're controlling the flag.
Say again?
Looks like they're controlling the flag.
Was it blue or yellow?
Yellow. I think our one is red, right?
Yes, we are right, they are yellow. Okay. Oh, so cute. Брыш. Бред, нету. Пусть катает.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. That was the walkie-talkie taking a shit.
Worth thinking of.
It's yes, because the walkie-talkie was making like weird shit fart noises. I was like, walkie-talkie taking a shit.
Huh?
Going through the foliage
I know, but
with my pistol. Try to take out whoever's there, and then rush and tap the guy. Tap the
you want me
mouse.
to pistol him?
Huh?
So you want me to pistol him?
No, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go in
Okay.
with my pistol, yeah.
Should I do the same or?
No.
She was asking me if I had a spare mic, and I said yes, I had a spare mic, but I had no BBs in it. And I was like, shit.
Okay.
We just lay covering fire.
Okay, I can fire with that. I'm just doing your shit.
I saw this guy's patch. He was cool. This guy here had a goose with a bomb. I said, I like this patch. But he was like, do you want the grenade? I was like, no, I'm talking about the patch. And it's like, the duck with bomb. And he's like, no, that's a goose. And I was like, oh shit, I didn't know.
Like straight to
Go.
He's a kegelstork. By the way, that explosion was so close to me. I genuinely panicked I was like, oh shit, because it was like few distance away from me. That's good shit on me. I mean, here's more clips of just me being me. So, before we get to the B part, I just want to quickly show you something. Well, I'll tell you something. So, yeah, let me keep this on. So, I run a lot. I exercise quite often. So, every 6 a.m. I go for runs here and there. I do all the working out so I can carry a light machine gun. So this is what you're gonna see. Everyone's running back from Echo 6, but here's me catching up to everyone else. Watch this shit. It's amazing.
Right in the face.
There was so here's something. There was also Juggernaut, and I was so pissed off at Juggernaut. I didn't want to shoot him. He shot me. I was like, come on, because you couldn't use light machine gun, you have to use pistols against Juggernaut. And I was like, this is the issue. And another thing is, if someone's my light machine gun, you gotta trade it for APK or AK. But yes, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Again, the links be in description, and enjoy my friends' videos, because there's times I will not be able to upload these videos, you know. Goodbye.